What if the worst photo in your house, the one that is faded, scratched, and half falling apart, turned out to be the easiest one to fix? I found a box of old family photos a while back. Some were creased down the middle. Some had gone yellow and faded until you could barely make out a face. One of them was actually torn, right through the middle of my dad's face from when he was younger than I am now. Most people just leave photos like that in a drawer. You cannot exactly retake them. A moment like that only happened once, and once the photo starts fading or tearing, that memory starts fading right along with it. Though sending photos out to a professional restoration service usually means paying a lot of money and waiting weeks to get a single photo back, and that is if you can even find someone local who still does it. I have tried a handful of phone apps that promise to fix old photos, and most of them either barely change anything or make the photo look worse. Plastic skin, warped faces, colors that feel completely off. A few of them even added detail that was not there in the first place, which honestly felt worse than just leaving the photo damaged. Then I tried Vmake Labs, and this is the first tool that actually got it right. Vmake Labs is an AI app built for fixing exactly this kind of photo, and it also works for old home videos, not just still images. Everything happens right from your phone. You open the Vmake Labs app, and the restoration itself happens in a few taps. There's a web version too, but the app is where I do basically all of this. Here is the before and after so you can see what I am talking about. This is the original scan, scratched, faded, that crease still visible right across the middle. And here is the same photo after running it through Vmake Labs' AI restoration feature. Watch what happens to the face first. The tool automatically repairs damaged areas, so cracks and torn sections get filled back in instead of just blurred over. Wrinkled or creased paper gets smoothed out like the photo was never folded in the first place. Here is where it gets interesting. Faded color gets restored through AI colorization, so a photo that looked almost gray gets its actual color back. Skin tones, clothing, the background, all of it. If your photo was ever slightly tilted or cropped wrong when it was scanned, there is also an aspect ratio adjustment built right in, so you are not stuck cropping it yourself afterward. The part that surprised me most is that none of this needs manual brushing or masking. A lot of restoration tools want you to paint over every scratch by hand. Vmake Labs handles it as a one-tap automatic fix. Let me walk you through exactly how I did this, because it really is this simple. You open the Vmake Labs app on your phone and tap into photo restoration. You upload the photo or the old video clip you want fixed. Then you choose the quality and the scene type that matches your photo and tap apply. In under a minute, you download the restored version straight to your camera roll and you are done. Think about who actually needs this. Anyone digitizing old family photos before they get more damaged in a drawer somewhere. Anyone with an old home video on a DV tape that has never been watched because there is no way to play it anymore, sitting in a closet doing nothing. Pet owners with one blurry photo of a dog or cat that passed away years ago. The kind of photo you wish you had taken more carefully at the time. Even sports fans looking to bring old, grainy photos of early players back to life for a tribute post or a keepsake. Having a tool that can actually bring those back, instead of just staring at them and wishing they looked better, changes what you actually do with them afterward. Quick side note if you are not on your phone when you think of this. Vmake Labs also has a full web version at vmake.ai. Same photo restoration tool, same AI colorization and damaged face repair, just running in your browser instead of the app. I mostly stick to the app because it is faster when a photo is already sitting in my camera roll, but if you are working from a laptop or restoring a bunch of scanned photos at once from a desktop, the web version handles that just as well. Same upload, same one-tap fix, same download when it is done. It is actually a nice option if you just inherited a whole folder of scanned family photos on a computer and do not want to transfer each one to your phone first. Either way, you get to the same result, so pick whichever one is already open in front of you when the mood to fix an old photo hits. Worth knowing it is there if the app is not what fits your workflow that day. If you have old photos or videos sitting around that could use this, the link is in the description. Search Vmake Labs. Open the photo restoration tool right in the app and start with the one photo you have been meaning to fix for years.